Hey guys, welcome to WordPress tips and tricks. Often as a beginner, when installing the WooCommerce plugin to our WordPress site, there are no current products listed inside, so we could test and see how it goes. We also forget that WooCommerce lets you add demo products to kickstart it. In order to import the demo products, go to the Home tab of WooCommerce, then click on the Add Products button on top. On the window, close the Help pop-up, and then click on the View More Product Types button. Once the list gets expanded, you will see the Load Sample Products option there. Click it and select the Import Sample Products button. And a total of 9 sample products will be added to your products dashboard. You can go back to WooCommerce Home Dashboard and click on the Preview Store button to have a quick view of your shop with the sample products. That's the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow our channel to get more tips and tricks videos. See you soon.